Congratulations in purchasing your 909 1050 watt 5-inch angle grinder. The unit is a slim handled rear on-off trigger with lock-off, so you have to move that one foot, move the lock-off forward and then pull the trigger on. Spindle lock for fitting the discs, tool-free guard, so that can be rotated in any position and simply pull the latch down to lock in place. Comes supplied with secondary handle, pin wrench, obviously the flanges, and a 5-inch metal cutting disc. The flats on the inner flange locate on the spindle and lock in place. Then the disc, and then the outer flange. Hold down the spindle lock, use the pin wrench, locks in place, and then tighten up. Secondary handle just simply locates in one of 3 positions, and we'll just screw in there, and then you're ready to go.